Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a timer in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to select any empty area on the canvas, for example, this one, and then you'll be able to see a timer over here at the top. You can edit the timing of complete page from here. So I'm going to make it something like 3 seconds, and then you can apply the timer to all of the pages by toggling it on. If you wish to select timer on some specific elements, you're going to click on that element and then click on animate over here. You'll be able to see various animations. So let's say I'm going to click on typewriter, and then you can adjust the speed. And if the speed is slow, the time will be more. And if you make the speed more, then the time taken to complete it will be less. So just like that, you can adjust timers for each element you want to do so. And that was basically how you can create a timer in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.